So today we will learn to create cinematic color grading of an image. So let's get started. Here is the image I am going to use. First of all, create a gradient layer of color black to nil, set style to radial and reverse it. Adjust the scale as required and just click OK. Now go to channel mixer, set the output color blue and adjust the below color scales as required or as shown. Now open color balance, set tone to shadows, set yellow to blue value 10. Now choose mid-tones and set cyan to red value -20. Choose highlights and set yellow to blue value -10. Now open curves layer and decrease the highlights as shown. Next, click on selective color, choose red and set cyan value to -35 and yellow to 60. Choose neutrals and set yellow to -5. Choose blacks and set yellow to -5 and black to 3. Now again open curves and adjust it as shown. So here is the final and beautiful effect for applying on any image. If you like my videos, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also ring the bell. See you in the next video. Bye.